one. Hi guys, so this is going to be an unboxing of April's BoxyCharm, which I'm excited to unopen with you guys. And wait, here it is. Bum, ba, da, bum. And open. Dum. Hello, Charma. Okay, so inside here we have apparently little eye candy rollout here. So it says eye candy. And it has a list of all the items in here, which is cool. I'm going to show them to you later. And it also has a couple of discount things on the backs, like 10% off, like some of the brands or a VIP offer or whatever. So there's that. So let's dig in. So we have the first item that pops out to me is Pores No More, and this is vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. So I enjoy doing masks, especially I like just doing them before I go to bed. I also like to do them on like a weekend or when my mom comes over or whatever. I know, I hang out with my mom. She's cool like that. Anyways, the next item in here, so I'm excited about that. Not to mention, this is, I don't know if I said, but this is Dr. Brandt. So like, that's an expensive brand, like super expensive. So for a $21 a month subscription, just getting this pays for this subscription. Not that I would ever spend more than $20 on this small of a container for a mask, but like, people do. You might. Just depends on what you like. It's all about what people are willing to spend for what they want and whether or not they enjoy the product. So like, I don't know, maybe I like totally fall in love with this and I'm like, I must have it at all costs. Highly unlikely, but still cool to get. So now we have our next item that comes out in here is Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I don't know if I'm saying that brand correctly, but let's stick it in here. Why these little tiny like sticker things that make me like want to rip the freaking packaging? And I hate ripping the packaging because I'm kind of like, I don't know, I'm like that person who when they read a book, they can't dog ear the corners of their books because it just damages it. And I know I'm going to throw this away anyway, but still there's a part of me that squirms inside that I'm ripping the packaging. I know, weirdness. Oh, finally. I can't help but to drop things every single time apparently. So here it is. Looks like a cute like nude color there. So do have a little something on my lips already, but hopefully it won't matter. Okay, here's a little mirror here. Oh my gosh, it like almost, it basically matches what I have, like just a little bit deeper in color than what I had on before. Oh, I like it. I've been looking for a really good like nude colored lipstick, and like I just had like a lip liner that I used to kind of get this color before, and it wasn't like this nice like luxurious feeling like, I don't know, glossy type, but this feels good and I like the color a lot. This is, yep, I'm on board. I'm like looking through my little mirror here. I'm on board. Oh, by the way, my mirror is from my previous unboxing of my Ipsy bag, the Steve Laurent brush, the blush or whatever, which I happen to have a little bit on right now, so I like it. Yes, I'm all right with this. what would make this better is if it was like a matte that would like dry down and be kiss proof. If this was kiss proof, this would be perfect. For now, it's just, it feels nice and it has a nice color to it. So someone make this kiss proof and I will probably buy this again. So the next item in here is Tarte High Performance Liquid Highlighter Pro Glow. There we go. Let's open the sucker. So Tarte, you're already on my good list because there are no weird stickery things that are like Stevie proofing this box for me. So there's that. So here we go. It's nice packaging here. So it is a highlighter, so I'm definitely in love with highlighters. Definitely like them, and it looks to be kind of like a gold color. Let's find a good place to show this. So I don't know if my light's a little bit too bright here. Let's try and change that light a little bit. Sorry guys. Can you see? It's kind of got this gold kind of like shimmer shine to it. So super pretty. I like it. Like it's nice and gold, and I'm excited to see what it looks like when on the face, because obviously when you swatch things, guys, it's not gonna be the same as what it's on your face, but I like it. I'm definitely a highlighter fan, so I'm all about that. Next item in here is the Brow Gal Brown Hair O2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So I'm really hoping that this is like a lighter brown, because like without any like brow like pencil, my eyebrows kind of just disappear because they're really like light brown, and some hair is like blonde and you can't even see it. So I'm really hoping this isn't too dark. So we'll figure that out and see how I feel about it. And the last item in here, which everybody was super excited about, was that you basically, this is like a variant item where you had like one of like a certain amount of like ColourPop palettes that everybody got in their thing, and I happen to get the Golden State of Mind. Is this the ColourPop palette that I was hoping I'd get? No. I was hoping that I would get the ColourPop palette with like that really intense like pink color in it, but this one has all sorts of like shimmery ones in it, and I was hoping I'd get one with some mattes in it, because like but shimmery things like this go on top of things and look really great. So I do love these, and I love ColourPop, and I have, the only reason why I didn't want to get this one is because I know I already have it. I already have the My Little Pony palette. I already have the what was it, the Love palette, I Love You palette or whatever. Like literally I have like a bunch of ColourPop palettes. Why? Because they're affordable and they look good and they wear well, and it's like I have nothing bad to say about ColourPop. I am a true believer in, you don't have to buy something super expensive to enjoy makeup, and ColourPop is definitely one of them. And I was just really hoping, oh, it was called the Element of Surprise one. The Element of Surprise one is the one that I wanted because it's one of the ones I don't have yet. So suffice it to say, I love ColourPop, and I was just hoping I was going to get the palette that I didn't already have. So not a bad thing. I'll probably be giving this away to someone, but either that, overall, really love the color of this Adesse New York high definition lipstick. Great color, still feels good on my lips. Don't know about the longevity of it, but like hopefully maybe they have like a kiss proof version of this color on their website, and that would be like wonderful. But got a ColourPop palette, I got a highlighter, I got brow gel tint, which I'm hoping is a color I can actually use or be able to find someone who has darker hair than me, but either way, and the mask. I will use all of these things except for maybe the ColourPop thing, but it's not because I don't love ColourPop, it's because I have so much of it already. Either way, really excited, and that was a good unboxing, guys. Yeah, I liked it. Anyways, about other things, I do have another video for an unboxing of the Ricky's Cold Crushes and Ipsy bag. I'll probably gonna stop doing the unboxing for Glossybox. Not because I still don't have Glossybox. If you guys want me to continue doing those unboxings, then you can let me know below, but like, I don't know. I just haven't been like super excited about what I've been getting in Glossybox, so my motivation to like get in front of the camera and tell you guys about it just isn't like quite there, if you know what I mean. So I probably won't be renewing them unless they come out with something in the next, like, well, technically I have it like pre-ordered. I did the whole like 30% off coupon thing, and then I don't know, it ended up being like around like $13 a box to like pre-order for like the year or whatever. So that's what I did. So technically I have it until November. So if they give me a reason to stay, then they have until November to convince me, but as of now I probably won't be renewing. So that's it on that side of things. Either way, I hope you like this video. I'm sorry it's already taking like 12 minutes of your time or 13 minutes of your time or whatever. I probably won't be editing this. But if you like these videos, please thumbs up. I would love it if you joined my internet friend galley of voices in my head. It would just mean the world to me, because I would love to know that other people besides the voices in my head like to listen to me. But that, and I am a fairly introverted person, and this is kind of a way of me being able to be more social. So socialize, if you wish, with me in the interwebs. And if you have any ideas on what other type of videos you'd like for me to do, please be sure to let me know, comment, or contact me in some way, and that would be wonderful. I will be trying to do personal blog as well, so there's that. So look forward to that. Oh, I almost forgot. I was a part of the Kickstarter campaign for the Ferrero. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but like it was the sheet mask thing by Ferrero. Is like the UFO sheet mask. So instead of like doing sheet masks the old-fashioned way, the aliens came down from the space and came with the UFO that will change women's and men's skin forever by helping them free themselves from the 15-20 minutes of sheet masks, and being able to do it in just 30 seconds. So there's that. I'll try that out. I'll have a video on that to see how I like it. Until next time, guys, feel free to like, subscribe below, click the notification bell so that you're informed whenever I make a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye.